everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today will be the unboxing. I think it is one of your favorite videos and I know that you love it and I love it too. Funny story it is that my order, it is already big. 3 pair of the boots, so 3 huge boxes because all of them boots. And this is first parcel because my order has been split to 3 different packages. So I have no idea which boots I've got inside this box. Let's check. Let's grab something to open the parcel. So as you know, heel it is the best. Oh, maybe not. Not really. Is there tape everywhere? We will try like this. My favorite! Do you remember when my nail, I feel it. Do you remember when I say that Eva Minge boots that I saw has been sold out, my size, like out of size? The size 38 came back, so you know, like one boots I've got the black one from Eva Minge. I mean this, if in size 38 and they are good. They are size 39 and they are good too, so I have no idea because I checked the size chart and they should be too big. It is all probably depends from the boot. Maybe if I will order size 38 and 39, they will fit the same. This is 38 and this is 39. But problem is, it is not a problem. Difference is that we have a pointy toe. And if I've got slim foot, long but slim, then 38 will be okay, just because I've got just boot, it is much longer anyway, and this one it is not that pointy. They are a little bit shorter but still pointy. I have to find someone new who will trim them for me, maybe in different town, maybe in Gdańsk, maybe somewhere. So I will be probably next Friday I will go to Gdańsk and I will take this one, maybe I will take just 1 pair of the boots, and I will ask a few specialists, the shoemakers, that maybe they can trim them. So far I just sent messages to a few and they answer me that, like, do you know how much they want? Sometimes it is 400 zloty, sometimes it is 500 zloty, so it is like between 100 and 150 euro for a pair. Crazy price. Boots, they are from eObuwie, which is partner of Modivo, as you can see. Actually, I ordered from the website eObuwie, but I've got parcel from Modivo. But they are the same. Okay, we have... The box, it is so damaged. Oh my god, I've got the boots that I've been waiting for the size to come back. Ladies and gentlemen, Eva Minge, once again, it is a 3rd pair in this year. I don't remember. Okay, let's open it. First of all, the box. Look at the box. I have to hide my face. Every corner, it is like damaged. Can you see it? But box, it is not important. Sometimes the boxes are very beautiful. Tom Ford, it is like a picture on the wall. Very beautiful box. Still, I keep this box. I keep my all, you know, pictures, photos and things like that inside. Oh. I know they will be big. So that size 38, someone walk in these boots for sure at home. So they are not like, you know, brand new for sure. And they have, there is a hair, not mine, but you can see a hair. Okay, so blonde girl trying them on. But I thought that they will be like different leather, but they're supposed to be real leather, but I'm not sure. They don't smell like real leather at all. I feel like the other Eva Minge boots, they are better quality, but anyway, they have for sure very low heel. Heel, it is very low, like we can compare the heel to this. You see? Much longer. But they are, I can recommend you these boots. They are one of my favorites, so comfy to walk. Boots, I will try them on, of course. Maybe the outfit today I'm wearing, it is not perfect for these boots because I've got brown and white. So the outfit you will see, of course, on the side. Boots, I've got my Tom Ford boots. I love them, brown croco boots. So we will check the croco boots like this. And well, so I thought that they will be exactly the same like I'm wearing now. We have to just check, you know. I don't want to make opinions before I will put the boots on, walk a little, and I don't know why, but always at home when you walk in, it is much easier than outside. It's like at home you have your floor really nice and straight, and outside you have like this, so it is not always easy. But anyway, they look really okay, but I know that they will be too big. So problem sometimes with the trimming, it is that you can't trim the boots if they have no zip. Boots without a zip, they cannot be trimmed just because you won't put your foot inside. So that's why they are a bit wider. So like my Amy Paris boots, oh, that box was beautiful too. So Amy Paris boots, they are pull on, Belmont boots, they are pull on, Roberto Cavalli boots, they are pull on. So many boots that they are nice shape. It is okay. The straight shape of the boot must be straight, must be like this. The other thing is that all the Casadei boots, they have no zip at all. But they have different leather. This leather, it is very expensive, it is stretch leather, so that's completely different story about the pull-on boots. Maybe I will make a video about the zip boots and the pull-on boots, why this and that, and what we have inside. I know that this type of the boot, if they are finished this way, this is already expensive. This is really hard work. This I know, that finish. You see, this and this, it is already really expensive. Inside we have kind of the suede, so a different side of the leather, the other side. So yeah, let's try them on. I've got the boots on, and I have to say that they are so soft. Size 38, it is perfect. I don't know, maybe size 39 could be a little bit different and a bit bigger, but they're fine. I am so surprised that no matter how high the heel is, boots are always comfy, great for walking, so soft, you know. They are so soft, you don't feel... These boots cost like around €100 plus minus. So if you have to spend another €100 for trimming, then it is a little pain. But if you want your boots perfect, then why not? But always you can find someone who will make it cheaper. So it is only about your time and just to find someone who will make it for you for lower price, that's it. But sometimes, please remember that lower price means it's gonna be worse, but not always the high price guarantee the best quality and the best service. So that's a problem. They are a little bit too wide, and probably I will send them back because I don't need boots like this. They are for me too pointy, heel is too low, and they are okay, but I wish to have the croco boots over knee. I have like, I know I will say it and opposite happens, but I have enough knee-high boots and I would like to have of any boots like the croco boots. It can be brown, can be black. I saw Elisabetta Franchi beautiful croco oveny boots. They are perfect, but size 36 left only. I am 38, 39, so 36 will be for sure too small, and I don't want to even try. They are great boots. If you are into fashion and you love the croco leather, this print on the leather, it is fantastic. I double checked these boots, they are real leather. I will leave the link below to these boots under my video, so I can still recommend you Eva Minge, because these all boots I've got, like this, I love, and this grey color, oh my god, this is like my favorite. I pay for them less than €100, and they are really incredible boots, and I can walk in them for so long. And this is not any ad. Eva Minge don't pay me for this video. She probably don't know that I'm making it, but I tag her on my Instagram. So it was like, you never know. Maybe one day she will invite me for any runway or something. I wish, but it is not that easy. I have no idea how to get the invitation for the runways. It is like I just focus on my job, what I'm doing, and I believe that one day something big come up, and this is how it works. So it is the best way to do what you love with your whole heart, and this is what I'm doing, and I am so happy. So this boost probably I will send it back, but before I will be waiting, of course, for your comments. So let me know, please let me know in the comments, what do you think about these boots. I think that they look beautiful. They are really comfy. They have a bit lower heel, they're a bit pointy. I like the length, because the length I am 170, so if you are the same, the length will be the same, because they are not over knee, they are just knee high, just middle of the knee. So if someone will be taller, then boots will be probably below the knee, but if someone is like 160, will get these boots over knee. So it all depends, of course, from your length of your legs. But I really love them. Maybe not with the outfit I'm wearing right now. I'm supposed to just find my skirt and my blazer, the croco one, a jacket, biker jacket. But I don't want to just create a whole outfit like croco. I think it is the best way. Just wear maybe any blouse in the black color, jeans and these boots, and you will create very easy casual style. That's also great. You can wear everything leather, and just you can wear the croco boots. You can wear the croco trousers if you have, and then these boots. So you can mix these boots with everything. If you would like to just have something different in your wardrobe, they are really good. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in comments your thoughts. I will be so happy. Please subscribe, and see you soon in the next video, probably tomorrow.